My name is Andrea Catalina Viteri Toquica. I am studying telecommunications engineering. I am 36 years old and I was born in Bogota, Colombia. My last vacations was in Santa Marta. I was visiting my parents. In Santa Marta, the weather is hot. It's very hot. When I was there, I visited many beaches like Taganga, Belo Horizonte, Concha Bay, and the thermals. You should visit thermals. It was an amazing experience. You don't think that this experience is real. The hot water with the hot water were a big combination. And you feel a lot of hot. You should be in the hot water no more than 20 minutes. Then you have to take a cold shower, and and if you want you can back to the hot water again. Near to Santa Marta, you can visit some places like beaches, rivers, or places like Tayrona or a Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. The food is delicious. You can find seafood and fruits. It's important that you use maps, follow the instructions in the different places that you visit, and all time drink water, use glasses and cap. And please, people should leave garbage in the beach. And then enjoy your trip to Santa Marta. Have a nice day.